What else? Yeah, double thumbs up. Okay, so I'm just marking both sides at the sheets that I need are 9.5 inches. Mark both sides and I'll just scribe right across. I'm going to cut 2 at a time, and it's always good to make sure they're flushed up well. This is a cordless shear. That's the fancy name. We all call it a nibbler though. Okay, not too bad. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight because we're going to have a J covering up that whole top portion of this sheet. We'll cut all our metal without abrasives just because the manufacturers we work with anyway will actually void the warranty on the paint of the metal product. Perfect. So we're just talking about screwing metal onto the wall. It's very easy to over tighten screws. If you come and look at this screw here, I over tightened it. So you can see that black washer is squished out all around the sides. If we look at one that's done properly, like over here, that washer's just pulled snug. If they're tightened up too much, it'll actually destroy that neoprene washer there. It's not waterproof. Just gonna run in and then go nice and slow just till it sucks up. This screw hole is stripped out. You can see that it never tightens up, and we can't quite pull it out, but it's definitely not enough to keep that waterproof seal. So what we can do,
just a little piece of wood?
Just a little sliver like that. Sometimes you have to get a couple in there, but this one seems like it's going to be a good size. Exact seal. Just stop. So we can try again, grab a new screw, run it into that hole, and that snugs down nice.